Hi there. Welcome back. Today we have the second spelling mock test under the Febby series. Before we begin, let us give a glimpse of the rules we have. For the test, you will be given a spelling sheet. This will contain 20 independent sentences, each missing a word, or there would be a passage with 20 words missing. There is a pattern in which the test happens. The examiner will say the word once, then they will use it in the sentence that is given to you on the paper. They will then once again repeat the word. There will be a pause and then they will move to the next spelling. Once the entire paper is completed, the examiner will read the entire passage or all the sentence once for you to check for missing words. The students are not allowed to interrupt the examiner during this process by raising their hands or asking questions. Remember, all these words are from your daily life. You would have heard them being spoken by people around you. These are easy, and your aim should be to get all the 20 correct. In these Febby series, we will be doing some actual SAT spelling papers together, so that you know how it happens and can possibly learn some words as well. As it is self-paced and self-marked, please be fair on yourselves. Pause the video and move on only when you are done with the questions on that page. If you simply go to the answers sheet, the whole purpose of you doing the test is negated. Let's begin. Spelling 1. The word is discover. Sarah wanted to be an explorer and discover new lands. The word is discover. Spelling 2. The word is mission. The spy was sent on a secret mission. The word is mission. Spelling 3. The word is loose. For PE lessons, your clothes should be loose and comfortable. The word is loose. Spelling 4. The word is sign. The sign showed which way to go. The word is sign. Spelling 5. The word is country. China is a large country. The word is country. Spelling 6. The word is gymnastics. Laura won a medal for gymnastics. The word is gymnastics. Spelling 7. The word is edible. Not all berries are edible. The word is edible. Spelling 8. The word is posture. Sit up straight to improve your posture. The word is posture. Spelling 9. The word is sleigh. Karen went on a sleigh ride in Lapland. The word is sleigh. Spelling 10. The word is delicious. Misha ate a delicious chocolate pudding. The word is delicious. Spelling 11. The word is scent. Dogs can follow the scent of other animals. The word is scent. Spelling 12. The word is illusion. The magician performed an illusion. The word is illusion. Spelling 13. The word is re-enter. Jane had to re-enter the cloakroom to get her gloves. The word is re-enter. Spelling 14. The word is parachute. The skydiver released her parachute. The word is parachute. Spelling 15. The word is abundance. There is an abundance of blackberries at the end of the summer. The word is abundance. Spelling 16. The word is unavoidably. Ollie was unavoidably late for school. The word is unavoidably. Spelling 17. The word is dissolve. First, dissolve the sugar in 300 milliliters of hot water. The word is dissolve. Spelling 18. The word is ominous. The gray clouds looked ominous in the sky. The word is ominous. Spelling 19. The word is drawer. Omar put the cutlery back in the drawer. The word is drawer. Spelling 20. The word is possession. Ellen's gold bracelet was her most treasured possession. The word is possession. We will now read out all the sentence once again for you to check. Do not interrupt. Ensure that you have got all the words. Sarah wanted to be an explorer and discover new lands. The spy was sent on a secret mission. For PE lessons, your clothes should be loose and comfortable. The sign showed which way to go. China is a large country. Laura won a medal for gymnastics. Not all berries are edible. Sit up straight to improve your posture. Karen went on a sleigh ride in Lapland. Misha ate a delicious chocolate pudding. Dogs can follow the scent of other animals. The magician performed an illusion. Jane had to re-enter the cloakroom to get her gloves. The skydiver released her parachute. There is an abundance of blackberries at the end of the summer. Ollie was unavoidably late for school. First, Dissolve the sugar in 300 milliliters of hot water. The gray clouds looked ominous in the sky. Omar put the cutlery back in the drawer. Ellen's gold bracelet was her most treasured possession. Hope you got all the words. We will now display the answers. Pause the video and check your answers. Our aim with simple spell bees is for you to check your own level. Get used to words and the way they are spelled. This may also help in your actual tests as well. We will be back with more shortly. Until then, sayonara.